All Parties Hurriyat Conference on the occasion of the United Nations Day being observed worldwide today has emphasized the urgent need for the implementation of the UN Security Council resolutions to resolve the Kashmir dispute. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, expressed concern about the credibility of the United Nations and stressed that the global body must exercise the authority to implement Security Council resolutions on Kashmir. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and around the world will observe October 27th as a Black Day to express their utter rejection of 77 years of the illegal occupation of their motherland by India. The call for the observance of the Black Day has been issued by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. It was on this day in 1947 that Indian troops invaded occupied Kashmir, occupying it in total disregard of the Partition Plan. Posters displayed by the several pro-freedom groups in Srinagar and other parts of the Kashmir Valley drew the attention to the consequences of the long-drawn Kashmir conflict, including the blinding of hundreds of the youth due to the pellet gunfire in the territory. APHC leaders and the organization, including the Democratic Freedom Party, Ghulam Nabi War and Farida Behenji, described 27th October as the darkest day in occupied Kashmir's history. They condemned India's military invasion as aggression devoid of the legal or the moral justification. Tehreek-e-Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir, in its latest statement, demanded the immediate release of all the Hurriyat leaders and the activists from the Indian jails. The statement reaffirmed that the Kashmiris would not abandon their demand for self-determination, come what may. An Indian policeman was injured in a grenade explosion inside a court complex in the Baramulla district.